Hi everyone, today I want to introduce you to a new part of our YouTube channel. And this part of our channel is going to be dedicated to our younger audience who has given us lots of feedback on catering to their needs. Now as part of that, we're going to do quicker 101 videos to show you how to do things, techniques to get going in your woodworking endeavors and your house repair endeavors. So let's get right to it on today's video, which is on scribing. So what is scribing and why do you need to do it? Well, the reason you need to scribe something is to solve this type of issue. And that is nothing is ever straight. So what happens when you try to put a straight board against a not straight floor? You get a crack. So how do we fix that? So scribing is the process that we use to basically take this uneven floor and scribe a line on this straight piece of wood. We can then cut that contour out and then the wood and the floor will match perfectly and no gap. Now to do this intricate process, you'll need a very, very expensive tool that basically costs about $2 on Amazon. There's tons of scribing tools, they all work very similar, so pick the cheapest and just go and try it out for yourself. Can I have that? Oh, thank you. Now, this is the one I'm going to use for this video. It is called SimpliScribe, and it basically is just a spacer. And what we do is we run it along the floor, and it will put a line on that board, and then we will go cut it out using a saw. Now, on to the hardest part, finding a pencil sharpener. Okay, now to actually do the scribing, you're going to want to drop your board or your cabinet or whatever else you want to match your uneven edge close, but not exactly touching the floor or the wall that you're scribing to. And this is because you're going to need to run a line across the whole bottom of the board. So once you have it in place, a little raised up, but you want to make sure that it's level to the ground, you can go ahead and scribe it. So to do that, you want to start at the end with the biggest gap. So once you're at the big gap, you want to set your scribing tool to that height. Now this one's pretty simple. You just kind of roll it on these flat edges and it changes the height of the pencil. So in this case, I'm going to turn the pencil just so it touches the largest part in the gap. Now I know which side of my scribing tool to use and it's all set. Now I just have to draw the line. Now drawing the line is pretty simple. You just go to the other side where the gap is the smallest. Put your pencil up against it with the scribing tool, and then slide it along the board, careful not to break the tip of the pencil off. Now that we got the line scribed, we can just pull this off the wall and take it to cut it out with the jigsaw. Thanks for watching our new shorter version of how-to videos. So if you like this new format and want to see more of me and my assistant here fix some stuff around the house, be sure to like our video below, subscribe to our channel, and do all that fun stuff. And if you have any questions or comments, send an email to me. But if you have any complaints, send it to him because, you know, he rules with a stick. So until next time, good luck with your projects, and we will see you again soon. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.